let's see how to see recent documents in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you've been working on a lot of files and you've been saving them in different directories in your computer. And let's say that you want to be able to see a recent file or to check or to open a recent file that you worked on. And luckily, Microsoft Word has a feature that will allow you to see the recent files that you've opened. So to do that, simply click on the File tab. And right here, you'll be able to see under the Recent section all of the files that you have recently opened, as well as the date that they were last modified. Additionally, you can also open the files once you click on them. And that is how you can see recent files in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.